Autodesk Revit is a building information management system. AMEE provides environmental intelligence via a web service. AMEE-in-Revit is an add-in for Revit that plugs this environmental intelligence into the Revit building information management system. At the bottom of the image we have the AMEE API. Then we have a Revit add-in which connects the Revit application via the internet to the AMEE environmental intelligence data, so that we can have this environmental intelligence show up in the Revit interface. So here we have a very simple model of a building opened up in Revit. This copy of Revit has the AMEE-in-Revit add-in installed, and this causes a set of new buttons to be added to the Analyze tab. Now every element inside this building is made up of a particular set of materials, and AMEE knows the carbon footprint of each of these materials and provides us a way to calculate what the total carbon footprint is. By choosing the Recalculate All CO2e values, Revit will now be communicating with the API, giving it the name of the materials and the volume for each of the different elements in the model, and the API, the AMEE Connect API, will give back the CO2e value for each of those elements, which gets attached as a custom shared parameter to each of the elements. So you can see down here, that's the shared parameter, the value for this particular element that I have selected. As you update these elements, the CO2 parameter is automatically updated. So if you notice, while I make this wall larger, see that its CO2 value will correspondingly get larger. The AMEE-in-Revit plugin adds a carbon footprint visualization, which we activate using the Update Carbon Footprint Visualization button. Another area where this data shows up is in our material takeoff schedule. So here we have a schedule of all the materials in our building, and we can see that we can attach the CO2e value as an extra column in this report, showing which elements we have been able to calculate data for and which ones we haven't. We also get an idea of what the total for each of the different materials are.